try to make the firewood rack that the Ugly Duckling house made for firewood. And so I'm gonna follow it exactly because I'm not real good with angles. So I'll show you me doing that and we'll see how it works out. And I am probably gonna use pocket holes in it because I have pocket hole screws and I don't have regular screws. The saw is already set up at a 6 degree cut. I just make all the cuts. I'll just rotate my wood around so that I don't have to change the cuts on it. This first cut will just be to establish the, I think it's technically a bevel cut this way, but we'll cut the bevel and then I'll move on. There, so I'm just gonna establish the bevels on them and then I'll get the measurements. Alright, now I think this is supposed to be, this board now is supposed to be 28 and a fourth, 28 and 1/4. So I just need to make sure I do them all the same. So if it sits at this, just like this, the bevel will need to be like this. Or the other way. Look at that, I messed up already. Save my scraps, starter wood, because this wood down here is lots drier than some of the wood I have upstairs. Let's go get a clamp and try to hold that weight and keep it steady. This is why I wanted to use a plane, because I'm terrible at angles and I still messed it up. Now let's see what else I need an angle for before I change the angle of the saw. 2 10 1/8 pieces for the tops and 2 13-inch pieces for the bottoms. So let's see what the scrap wood I have. I did. I mixed the scrap in and now I made a bunch more. Well, how about that? Maybe I should have not filmed this if I was going to make a lot of mistakes here, huh? I'm still using these. Just make them all like this one. think they're 10 1/8 at the bottom. You're done. Roughly the same size. We got for pretty rough measurements here because I'm just not very good at angles. I think my saw must be slightly leaned one way or the other because it doesn't look like it's making exactly 90 cuts. So it's going to add a compound angle to this saw. I try to throw a link to the plan, so if you want to follow along, you can. I don't even know if I'm cutting this in the order that it really should be cut in. I just wanted to come down and set up my 6 so that I know where my 6 was at and that I could make 6s. And I decided I could, so I did that first. Probably should have made my 90s first to make it easier to read down the plans. But I didn't, so this is 9 1/2. Now I'm going to trust that that 9 1/2 is here. Like that. But I am putting trust in the fact that it's that way because the plans don't actually say. And all it will really do is change the height on the finished piece where the middle supports sit. So I'm real worried about it. Okay, now I'm sure that I'm done with these. So go back to 90. I went ahead and put pocket holes in real quick.